In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted emails in Yahoo Mail. We'll walk through the full flow so you understand exactly what's happening behind the scenes and how to get a message back where it belongs. Start by opening your browser and heading to yahoo.com. If you're not already signed in, use the sign in button at the top right to access your account. Once you're in, look for the mail icon in the top right corner of the Yahoo homepage and click it to open Yahoo Mail. Inside Yahoo Mail, go to your inbox so you can see your messages. To demonstrate the restore process, we'll first delete a message and then retrieve it. Pick any email you don't mind removing for a moment. Select it by clicking the small checkbox next to the message. With the email selected, use the delete option at the top of the mailbox. Don't worry, this doesn't permanently erase the message right away. It simply moves it to a special folder called trash. Now, look at the left-hand sidebar and open the trash section. This is where recently deleted emails are collected. You should see the message you just removed along with any other items you've deleted. If you don't see the one you're looking for immediately, try sorting by date or using the search bar while you're in trash to narrow things down. To restore the message, select it by clicking its checkbox. With it highlighted, choose Restore to Inbox at the top. Yahoo will move the email back to your inbox automatically. If you want to bring back several emails at once, select multiple checkboxes first and then use Restore to Inbox to move them all in one go. Head back to your inbox to confirm the message has returned. Depending on your sort order, it may appear based on the original date it was received. If it's not visible right away, refresh the page or switch your sorting option to make it easier to find. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Trash is meant for temporary storage, so avoid emptying it if you think you might need to restore something later. If a message is no longer in trash, it has likely been permanently removed and can't be recovered using this method. Also, using the checkboxes gives you flexibility to handle single emails or batches efficiently. And that's all there is to it. You've signed in, deleted a message, located it in trash, and restored it back to your inbox with a single click. Now you can confidently undo accidental deletions whenever you need.